Adding shapes is a great way to make your presentations look visually appealing. PowerPoint has a lot of different shapes to choose from and use them in your presentation. You can also customize these shapes to suit your needs. To get started, go to the Home tab, Drawing Group, and click the More down arrow. You can see all types of ready-made shapes such as circles, squares, arrows, and more. Let us select a shape from the Stars and Banners group. You can see the cursor changes to a plus sign. Click and drag the cursor in the slide where you want to insert the shape. You can use the sizing handles to change the height and width of the shape. The rotation handle helps to rotate the shape. When you insert the shape, you can see the Drawing Tools Format tab appear above. The Edit Shapes command from the Insert Shapes group has options to change the current shape. You can choose a different shape from the Change Shape option menu. You can use the edit points to edit and modify the shape as desired. Sometimes the shape you want is not available in the built-in or default shapes gallery. In this case, you can merge two or more shapes to create a custom shape. Select the shapes you want to merge. Now, click the Merge Shapes command and make your selection. You can apply different styles to a shape. The shape has the current color scheme. The quickest way to change the look of the shape is by applying the predefined styles from the Shape Styles group. Click the More down arrow and move the cursor over different thumbnails to preview and choose the style you like. You can also customize the shape style using different formatting commands. The Shape Fill command helps you to change or apply a color to the selected shape. Click the Shape Fill drop-down to see the menu. To view more color options, select More Fill Colors. Click the desired color or enter the RGB values. The RGB value indicates its red, green, and blue intensity, representing the colors to be used on a computer display. The colors can be combined in various proportions to obtain any color. Click OK. You can see the color is applied to the shape. With the eyedropper option, you can pick any color from an existing object on the slide and apply it to the shape. If you want to add a variation of the same color or blend two or more different colors to a shape, select Gradient. You can click More Gradients option to quickly apply preset gradients. You can create your own gradient fill with custom colors by specifying the brightness, transparency, gradient directions, and positioning. To make the shape look like a solid surface with a distinct appearance, use the Texture option from the drop-down menu. In a similar way, you can click the More Texture option to further customize the effect. You can also choose the No Fill option to make the shape transparent. To change the shape outline, click the Shape Outline drop-down and select the color. The outline of the shape will appear in the selected color. If you do not want a color outline, select No Outline. You can also change the weight, that is, thickness, or use a dashed or dotted line for the shape outline. The eyedropper option helps pick any color from an existing object on the slide and apply it to the shape outline. To add shape effects, click the Shape Effects down arrow. Move the mouse over the effects. You can preview each effect. Select the desired effect. The appearance of the shape will change. To further adjust the shape effects, select options at the end of each menu. The Format Shape pane will appear, allowing you to customize the shape effects. You can also enter text in a shape. Once the shape is inserted in the slide, you can simply type the text in it. Next, you can use the text formatting options from Word Art Styles. The options here are similar to those available under Shape Styles. The Clear Word Art option removes the word art style applied to the text. As you can see, each slide has multiple objects such as pictures, shapes, and text boxes. You can arrange each object by aligning, ordering, grouping, and rotating as per the requirement. When you move objects in PowerPoint, the alignment and spacing guides help you align them. But if you have different objects on a slide, it may be difficult and time-consuming to manually align them one by one. The options under the Arrange group allow you to easily order, group, and position these objects. Next, click the Arrange command and move the cursor over the Align command options. First, you need to choose whether you want to align the objects with the slide margin or each other. Based on what you want to do, select Align to Slide or Align Selected Objects. Now, choose from various options, ranging from vertical to horizontal alignment. The objects will be aligned based on the option selected. For better appearance, arrange the objects at an equal distance from each other using Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically. Using the Group command, you can group multiple objects into a single object. Select the objects you want to group. Press and hold the Shift key, and then from the Group command, select Group option. The selected objects will be grouped. You can see a single box with sizing handles around the group that indicates a single object. This helps you edit and format different objects of the group in one go. Similarly, you can ungroup the objects using the Ungroup option and again regroup them using the Regroup option. Now, let us add one more shape to the slide. You can see objects are overlapping. This means the objects are placed in levels according to the order in which they were inserted in the slide. Here, the arrow shape is on the top level and placed in the front. To send it to the back by one level, click Send to Back commands. This sends the shape behind the object. In a similar way, the Bring Forward command helps you bring the object forward by one level with respect to another object. If you want to move an object behind or in front of multiple objects, it is usually done faster by using the Bring to Front or Send to Back commands. This is a faster way of changing the order level of an object. The Selection pane command allows you to easily change the order level. Using the Selection pane on the right, you can drag an object and change the order level. Finally, if you need to turn an object to the left or right, or flip it horizontally or vertically, use the Rotate option. In this way, you can easily use various shapes and customize them as per your needs.